Well, hi. So I just wanted to place this order for artificial pearl necklace. That's a product we have on the website. So on this website where we have multiple products at Springtails, this is the order I'm talking about. Artificial pearl necklace set. So we got the order. Customer has placed this order, costed at 149 on the website. And now let me show you where do we get the order. So if you have ever been to Shopify interface where we have home, order, products, customer marketing, you would know that orders comes under the order section. Now, by the way, Shopify is an interface which allow marketers to have a, entire online shop management, online store management, in fact. So if you don't have any coding knowledge, you can easily choose a free theme, upload the products over it, and you have a ready website. This entire site, Artificial Jewelry Store of Springtails, is made in Shopify. The name of the theme is Dawn. Yep. Now, I just wanted to check if this person, Arzan, okay, now the idea is to place this order, of course, and this order has come from the prepaid mode. That's why it says payment pending and the order is not fulfilled. The moment Arzan uh, confirms the order. The reason why I'm making the confirmation is because so when you get an order through online mode, you get two modes over here. One is prepaid mode, which means person pays through the payment gateway. If payment comes through the prepaid mode, it says payment status stays at as confirmed. That's one. Secondly, if we get order in the postpaid, which means cash on delivery, in that case, customer sometimes makes the impulse buying. Buying means, let's say you see an ad running on any of the website, you like the product, you place the order, and in the morning you decide no, you're not willing to accept the order. It happens a lot in India. If again order is happening through COD, cash on delivery, because you have not paid for the order. So in that case, companies makes call to people, they confirm if they are gonna accept the order or not. The reason they do so is because whenever we get an order, company gets the order, we have to deliver the order through a logistics company. It could be delivery, it could be bees, it could be shiprocket, and these companies charge us at the cost of 30 to 50 per order. But just in case, if customer does not accept the order gets out of the warehouse and customer denies to accept the order, then the order comes back to us. We call it RTO, which means return to origin. In that case, additional amount of 20-30 rupees also has to be paid to these logistics company. So even the order won't get delivered, we have to pay the delivery fee for both the sides. And that's why, to avoid that loss, companies make the outbound calls or they confirm from the customer before sending these order. So let's dial her up. Okay, I just want to check if I'm sorry, I was just finding the stick of my phone. So let's dial Arzan and check if she is gonna accept the order or not. And then we have to further place the order. Give me a moment. Let me dial the number. Okay, okay. Hello, is this Arzan Uksha? जी Arzan, we got an order from you for a artificial pearl necklace set. या बट उसे कैंसिल कर दीजिए confirm me. That's all. Okay. It's me. Okay. So we are canceling the order. Thanks for confirming. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Oh my god. So the idea was to place this order for Azan, and surprisingly, she has cancelled the order, and I'm really disappointed with it. Anyways, it happens in e-commerce. That's why companies always try to get the orders in the prepaid modes, so customer do not cancel it. She always accepts it. By the way, as the order is cancelled, I can now cancel the order. So rather than fulfilling the request, I have to cancel the order. Now, by the way, if I would have fulfilled the request, then this request would have gone to Roposo Cloud. Roposo Cloud is our dropshipping partner for this product. This is the product which we are selling at a heavy discount on the website. You can see the product comes to us at 289 rupees. This is the purchase price. and we are having a discounted sale of 149 rupees. Oh my god. Additionally, we are saying running some more sales as well. So even though we are selling the orders at a very cheap price, we are making losses in getting the orders currently. But yeah, even that order has got cancelled. So what do we do? So yeah, so one thing is to cancel the order. But before I do so, I want to also show you how the hell we got this order. Which source, which campaign, which platform has got the order for us. So one of the easy ways is to get into marketing in Shopify interface. In marketing, we get to see which source has got the traffic for us. So here you can see the traffic is coming from Google. In Google also it says Google search, then it says direct, it says Google search again, and some unattributed data. Now this order of 126 rupees after the discount has come from the direct source. So now direct means, technically if I say direct, it means someone has directly put in the website link, came on the website. But we are not that popular. I wonder how could someone come as a direct source. To reconfirm, we have two more options. I can get into campaigns of the account. So this is our Springtails ad account. And here we can directly see which of the campaign has got the orders in the conversion column. The orders comes in the conversion columns, by the way. We have a tracking list linked with it. The second way, by the way, is to get into analytics as well, because we also have analytics linked with Springtails. So here in analytics, you can get into engagement. Yep. I'm sorry, acquisition. In acquisition, we have to get under user acquisition or traffic acquisition. In user, we get information in this format. It says cross network, paid search, display, and we are not sure. Okay, so you can see this in the key event. We have purchase event here. So this conversion has come from a paid search campaign. The second way of seeing this is switching this channel group to source and medium. In source and medium, we can see this purchase has come from Google as a source and CPC as a platform. The additional options would be first user campaign. Let's see if we have anything in this one. Yep, here we have the first user campaign, and here you can see that the campaign which has got the order for us is this Springtails search earring and necklace Sandeep Delhi NCR. That's the campaign name. This campaign is available, the first one, in the Google ad interface. Anyway, so now we got the campaign name. We know that this order has come from this campaign. Now we can optimize the campaigns accordingly, so we get more orders on the website. By the way, I am having a very difficult time getting the orders on the website right now. It's always difficult to get the initial orders because we don't have the conversion trackings. I mean, trackings are there, but we don't have the conversion data. Google as an account does not know how to drive the conversion, so we have to manually manage sales in the beginning. So we got the sales for this product. Now we know that how to fulfill the order or how to cancel the order if the customer is not accepting it. I am gonna further work on the account to get more orders, and then I'll be seeing you in further videos. Bye bye.